Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So in this video, we'll discuss the second problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 342. Again, it's an easy level problem. As I told, the contest that we are having today is relatively easy. A couple of easy problems and a couple of medium problems. So the problem name is sum multiples. So you are given a positive integer n. Find the sum of all integers in the range 1 to n inclusive that are divisible by either 3, 5 or 7. So return an integer denoting the sum of all the numbers in the given range, satisfying the constraint. Okay, like for example, n equals to 7. So what are all the numbers that are divisible by either of them? So you have 3, 5 and 7. So what is the sum of sorry, it's 3, 5, 6 and 7. So what is the sum of all these three numbers? It comes out to be 21. So 21 is your answer. Similarly for 10, what are the numbers that are either divisible by 3, 5 or 7? So it's 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, right? So the sum of these numbers will be 40 and so on. N can go up to 10 raised to power 3, and obviously just see the return type is integer, so that means it will not overflow, right? Obviously the sum of all these numbers 10 raised to power 3 into 10 raised to power 3, that will fit into an integer data type, right? So yeah, you initialize your answer with 0 and then you traverse the what do you call it, you traverse your all the possible numbers, right? You check that if it is divisible by either of them, you just add it to your answer and finally you return your answer, right? I don't think much of an explanation is needed here. Probably it was just sort of a warm-up for everyone, that's why they gave this problem. So yeah, there's nothing much to discuss in the solution. So yeah, have fun, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.